Today we will discuss a powerful dua to get married to a specific person you want. It will be 100% effective if you will follow proper method, inshallah. Before talking in detail, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to keep watching our videos. So now let's listen method to perform this dua. Number 1, make yourself clean by doing wudu, ablution, which will help you prepare to stand in front of Allah truly, because Allah likes to see the traces of ablution so on his servant. Number 2, send blessing upon beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family. And number 3, read Surah Al-Fatiha. Number 4, recite all the words correctly with the focused intention for the person you want by performing near which you can see on your screen. Here is the key intention why you are performing. After reciting this dua, recite Allah's name and ask dua as below. Al-Mumin, thank you for hearing my dua, and you are the only creator and inventor. With your love and blessing we are living our life. Al-Wasi, you know very well what is in my heart. My feelings are genuine. I love them so much and I only wish to marry them. Reveals my love to them so that we can build a strong bond together that lasts forever. And Al-Nuru, with your love and affection help them fall in love with me so they can have the same feelings as mine. Al-Hakim, I found them to be a perfect match for me, and you are the best supreme who decides what is best for us. And number 5, finally raise your hands, ask for forgiveness for merciful Allah, and say Astaghfirullah 3 times. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and family. Assalamu alaikum.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي